Meghalaya Power Minister A.T. Mondal on Wednesday said that the present power scenario will continue till there is relief from the monsoon. Speaking to reporters, he said that the rain this time round is very irregular, unlike the previous years where the states used to get rainfall even during the month of February and March. He observed that there are many areas in neighbouring states are already receiving good rainfall. Meanwhile, he informed that they had to completely shut down the Leshka hydropower project as there is no water, and further stated that even in Umiam, the storage capacity has gone down.
Nothing to do with previous government and all these things. See, this time rain is very erratic, unless other years where you used to receive rainfall in the month of February, March also. This time we are in a continuing situation. Though some neighboring states are receiving rainfall, we are not receiving rainfall. Only yesterday we got some quality rainfall, but that is not going to improve the scenario. We also purchase as per it was available and as per it was within the limit. Purchasing is not that we have not purchased.
Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo informed that the work for